That's jollof rice for you. Always born in the bottom. But don't worry, I've got you. Mhm. So we're just gonna close it back because it's not ready. So we close it and let it cook properly. Yeah. So while that is cooking, let's slice some onions. I don't like to cook jollof rice without sprinkling some onions in my jollof rice. My jollof rice is not complete without me dicing some onions inside the jollof rice. So that's what exactly what I'm going to do right now. Hope I'm not on mute. Let me see. Am I on mute, guys? I don't think so. I don't think so. What will you guys? Definitely, whatever I'm doing is actually working. I can't believe. Look at my trouser. That means I'm reducing. See, I'm gradually leaving the size 14, slowly working my way into size 12. And I like that feeling. I'm not joking. Let me see. Can I actually invite